Here's a secret you're not supposed to know. Saying yes to everyone else is quietly saying no to yourself. And if you're anything like I used to be, overwhelmed, resentful, and drowning in guilt every time you try to set a boundary, this video is your permission slip to stop people-pleasing and start living. By the end, you'll have 3 guilt-free ways to say no, even if you're the person who apologizes to doorknobs when you bump into them. Let me guess, you've canceled plans last minute because you were too burnt out to show up. You've stayed late at work again while your hobbies collect dust. Or maybe you agreed to dog sit for your cousin's hyperactive Pomeranian. And now you're Googling, can dogs eat drywall? Mock panic, then laugh. We say yes because we're afraid of being rude, selfish, or disappointing others. But here's the kicker. Every yes you don't mean is a slow no to your own peace, time, and energy. Today, we're breaking this down into 3 simple steps that'll help you say no like a pro, without losing sleep over it. You'll learn the mindset shift that turns guilt into confidence. It's not about being mean. The magic phrase that politely shuts down pushy people, works on bosses, moms, and that friend who sells pyramid scheme candles. The boundary blueprint to protect your time and relationships. And yes, I'll even roleplay a cringy no scenario with my plant, Phil. He's a great listener. But first, why is this so hard? Why do we tie ourselves in knots over a 2-letter word? Because we've been taught that saying no makes us unkind. But here's the truth. Clear boundaries don't push people away. They build respect. Think about it. Do you admire people who never stand up for themselves? Or the ones who know their worth and protect their energy? Exactly. All right, let's get tactical. Step 1. The confidence flip. Instead of thinking, I'm letting them down, ask yourself, what am I saying hell yes to by saying no here? Right on board. No equals hell yes to. Skipping that draining happy hour? That's a hell yes to your bubble bath and book. Passing on a last-minute work task? A hell yes to not resenting your job. Quick demo. Imagine your coworker asks, can you cover my shift tonight? Instead of stammering, I guess, try. I can't tonight, but I hope you find someone. No excuses. No drama. Just clean, guilt-free clarity. Phil's impressed. Look at him. Now, I'm handing this over to you. Which of these 3 steps do you need most? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to go deeper, smash that like button and subscribe. Oh, and Phil? He's rooting for you. Your time is non-negotiable. Protect it.